Hi there, it's Amanda here, and I'm just saying hi. This is for parents specifically, this video. I just kind of wanted to send you guys a video to talk about what I'm going to be doing with this YouTube channel and why I think it might be a good idea. So first of all, this is just an intense time for everyone, teachers and parents alike, so we're just trying to figure this out, and I commend you guys for doing a great job with your kids at home. So I kind of thought I'd offer a few suggestions that I thought might be helpful. I've been trying to email out some resources and links to you guys, so just check your email if you haven't. I'm also going to start to assign fun little activities that you can do through boardmaker.com. Let me know if that's not working for you, or if you didn't get an email through Boardmaker. So first of all, I think it's really important to follow some sort of a schedule in your own home. I know that might be tricky, but as you know the best probably, kids on the spectrum thrive with schedule and routine. So yes, it doesn't have to be as strict as school and you're by yourself. You don't have a team of people to help you, which makes it even tougher. But the best you can, just try to follow some sort of a schedule. So whether it's a work time for your kiddo, if you want to make a designated place for work, I think that's a great idea. Also, if your kid is, it's hard, I want to say student, but they're your child. So maybe even having them choose, do you want to do work in the living room or the kitchen? And giving them that choice. So the next thing I wanted to kind of talk about is if you're doing a work block with your child and they're really resistant to it, you might want to take out something like a token board. Now, at school we have token boards. They're like little pictures, usually 10 tokens, and you give a token for either a correct response or good behavior during a work session. Now, if you don't have a token board, which a lot of you might not, first of all, let me know, and I can try to email you one quickly that you can print if you have access to a printer and kind of cut out. I do not have my laminator at home, but I made this real quick. I've done this many times in the past. So if you don't have a token board handy, which most people don't, I just kind of made a quick, on my whiteboard here, 10 boxes, and then I kind of put on the bottom 10 checks equals and whatever that reinforcer may be. Maybe it's Oreos, maybe it's outside time, maybe it's something like a preferred toy that your child likes. So 10 checks equals that. You might want to maybe even print out a picture of the item or show them the item if it's an Oreo, for example. Put the Oreo, like have the token board next to your child, next to you, put the Oreo on the token board even. You can do that with a piece of paper too. I've done this many times. Sometimes I even like to say, oh, there we go. Do you want to earn checks or smiley faces? And your child can choose what they like, or even stars, whatever it is. The second thing I wanted to say is definitely offer choices to your child. So let's say it's time for like some sort of a math, you want to focus on math for the day or for the work session. You could say, all right, do you want to do this worksheet, or do you want to do pipe cleaners and beads? Something more manipulative and something that may be more kind of fun for them, but they're still kind of working on that same skill. What else did I want to say? Just, I don't know, cut yourself some slack. Go outside more often if it's nice out. Definitely baking and creating something with your child is great. Making Play-Doh, making slime. Those are all things that you can utilize, measuring cups and following basic directions. I also sent out to some of you guys, it's the Autism Helpers Emergency Homeschooling Packet, and I thought that was an awesome resource. With that resource comes a lot of visuals, a lot of schedules, some social stories that I actually did in the first YouTube video, the social story about coronavirus, and also a lot of differentiated work. So you kind of look to see what level your child might be at. And then from there, you kind of look through, let's say it's level 1. So we're working on tracing, we're working on counting with one-to-one correspondence. You would print out those packets. And tracing and writing, those are really important skills as well. So you can use a whiteboard or you can use whatever you have kind of around the house. So I'm going to use this YouTube channel again for like parent tutorials, and also I'm going to put mini lessons on here. I wanted to do a YouTube channel as opposed to a live session because I'm thinking if your child, you know, doesn't want to listen to my voice right away or is exhibiting some behaviors, you could pause me and always come back to it later. I know, again, this is difficult. This is tricky. I am here for you guys. I want you to know you can email me anytime. I will do my best to offer my help to you, in whatever capacity that may be. If you need me to print materials, I'll print materials for you. I'll mail them. I'll even like drop them off like in a safe bag outside your door. As far as social skills are concerned, if you have areas that you want to work on for your child at home, let me know too, and I can kind of send you some links and ideas. I'm trying to think. So also surrounding the home, working on daily living skills is going to be great. So whether that's sweeping or sorting silverware or maybe putting dishes in the dishwasher, these are all really important life skills that your child can work on. So I think that's really important to remember as well. Okay, that's my daughter, Maddie. She is 7. She's in 1st grade and she's home with me. And my other daughter, Penelope, is as well. She's 4. So anyway, I just wanted to kind of pop on here and tell you what this YouTube channel is going to be about, offer a few suggestions. And also I reached out to some of the behavior assistants and I said, please, like, feel free to send me videos and I will upload them to YouTube as well. So you can see some friendly faces and your kids can see some friendly faces. We miss the school routine. We miss the structure. And I certainly miss, the supportive environment of a home. So, but I need you guys to know that anything I could do, I will do for you. And yeah, and I went over Boardmaker too, so that's good. All right, so subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want to, and I will update you. If you don't, that's okay. I'll update you when I put out some new videos that might be either on your child's level or maybe like a parent training video that you might like to see. So thank you so much for your flexibility and your support. I appreciate it, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you. Bye.